In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit documents in WPS Office 2026, step by step. Let's get started by opening your file, launch WPS Office, then choose Open and pick the document you want to work with. You can open Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or even a PDF. WPS will automatically load the right editor so you can jump straight into making changes without extra setup. To edit text, click anywhere in the document to place your cursor and start typing to add new content. If you need to remove something, use backspace or delete. A quick tip: if you want to replace a section, highlight the text first and just start typing. Your new words will overwrite the selection. For formatting, highlight the text you want to style, then use the toolbar to change the font and size, apply bold, italic, or underline, and adjust the text color. Keep your formatting consistent across headings and body text for a professional look, and use colors sparingly so important points stand out without distracting from the content. Next, refine your paragraphs and layout. Use alignment options, left, center, right, or justify, depending on how you want your text to appear. Adjust line spacing to improve readability. 1.15 or 1.5 often feels comfortable for longer documents. Add bullets or numbering to organize lists clearly, and when needed, adjust margins from the page layout area to control how your document prints and how much text fits on a page. When you need visuals or structure, go to the Insert tab. You can add images to illustrate a point, tables to organize data, shapes for callouts or diagrams, and hyperlinks to connect to web pages or other sections of your document. After inserting an image or shape, drag the corners to resize it and position it so your layout remains clean and balanced. If you're working with a PDF, open it in WPS and choose Edit PDF if that option is available. You can then modify text, adjust images, or add and edit annotations. Keep in mind that some PDF editing capabilities may require a premium plan, and scanned PDFs might have limited editable text. For efficient editing, use spell check to catch spelling and grammar issues. Press Ctrl+H to open, find, and replace, which is perfect for updating repeated words or names across the document. And remember, Ctrl+Z undoes your last action, while Ctrl+Y redoes it. Finally, save your work. Go to File and choose Save, or press Ctrl+S. If you need a copy in another format, use Save As and pick DOSX, PDF, or TXT. Choose a clear file name and location so you can find it easily later. That's it. Your document is edited, formatted, and saved in WPS Office.